Discover the power of index funds, a simple yet effective investment tool. Index funds track the performance of a specific market index, like the S&P 500. By investing in an index fund, you own a basket of stocks that mirrors the index. Index funds offer low costs, diversification, and tax efficiency, making them a smart choice. Compared to actively managed funds, index funds typically have lower fees and expenses. Index funds come in two main forms: mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. When choosing an index fund, consider factors like your investment goals and risk tolerance. To invest in index funds, you'll need to open a brokerage account first. Follow our step-by-step guide to start investing in index funds with confidence. Set up recurring contributions to automate your index fund investments for effortless growth. Harness the power of compounding to maximize the long-term growth potential of your investments. Index funds are a beginner-friendly investment option that can help you achieve financial success. Take the first step towards building your wealth with index funds today.